Hello, I'm Dave Thompson. I'm the director of the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. And today we're going to talk about removing floor finish and reapplying. First of all, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we've assembled our equipment and filled our machines, made sure that everything is working properly, and that we're ready to go. Secondly, we want to put out our wet floor cones, whatever that it might be, and safely secure the area and alert people that there is a wet floor and a potential hazard for them. Thirdly, we want to then check our safety data sheets to the product that we're using and make sure that we have reviewed the safety protocols for the product that we're going to be using today, not only for ourselves, but anybody that might be walking in while we're doing our work. And then lastly, I want to check and make sure that I've used the proper PPE, gloves, and stripping boots to make sure that I have provided safety for myself and longevity of working in the space. Next, we're going to talk about mixing the proper product and testing the pH. Okay, our next procedure is to mix the appropriate stripping solution to the amount of water. Now, we've already looked at our safety data sheet, we've already looked at our instructions on the product, and we know that in this procedure, this product in particular mixes 1 quart of this to 5 gallons of liquid. Now, I'm going to be standing up. I'm not wearing goggles here, but I'm going to uncap this, and I've already mixed this, so just to understand, we've already done this. And from distance, I'm going to be doing this and pouring it in. Now, if you're closer than this, you'll need to make sure that you have the appropriate goggles or face shield to avoid splashing. If you're one that's particularly sensitive, you might want to have longer gloves to cover up over your elbow. Now, what we'll do next is we'll test actually the pH of the product and show you what that is. Okay, now that we've mixed our stripping solution and we have it in our bucket, one of the things I want to show you is that the safety data sheet gave us a pH, but I want to test that and make sure that it is what I think it should be. So this here is our litmus paper. It has our gauge of numbers, and to get that number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this off. I'm going to put it into the mixed solution, hold it there for just a little bit, kind of shake that off, get all the excess off, and I'm going to put it right here on this. And what you'll see is our dilution has become now about a 12 pH, not a 13, a little more than 11, but now I know what this is. Now later on, when we get to using this on the floor, I want to show you that the pH of the solution that we're using on the floor does not change simply because I'm pulling the finish from the floor and putting it into the bucket. Now what I'm going to do next is we've got to take and apply the finish stripper and use the appropriate machine and pad. Come back for part 2.